Holy shit! That one almost took my pole in. What's going on, YouTube? Four-eyed fisherman here. Decided to hit the river again since ain't nothing else better to do on a lockdown. You know, everything's closed, so might as well come out, come fish. Found a new spot on the Arkansas River. Seems to be crawling with fish. You can see them out here just jumping and making rings all over the place. So hopefully we can land us a few fish. It looks like a lot of rainbows. I've seen some really hefty rainbow trout in here, so hopefully we can catch just one. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this quick little video. This looks like a beautiful spot, but I think I screwed it all up. Got it in his mouth. There we go. Finally. Nice little rainbow. Once again, guys, rainbow season, so be expecting a lot more. Man, I was like getting really worried there for a second. I thought I was gonna get skunked in this spot. It's like, no. First fish. There's fish jumping all around it. It's about to get hit here pretty soon, I have a feeling. Got a fish. Little rainbow looks like. Little rainbow. Off the bobber. First trout on that little pole too. Pretty excited. course. There we go. Wait for him to take it. He's a good sized trout. Not bad. Ooh, my bobber's gone. Oh no. There it is. I thought my bobber was gone. Holy shit. That one almost took my pole in. That's a good fish. Feels like a good fish. He's going straight to the bank too. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at that, guys. About good 17, 18 inches. Holy cow. Hey, Dad! Dad! Look at that trout, guys. That is a beautiful trout. I'm gonna put him back in the water. Oh man. Hold on. Let's get you a nice release there, guy. Look at you. Almost took my pole in. Come on, guy. Give him his bearings back. There he goes. Woo! Look at that guy. That was a good trout, finally. Woo! It's not the best trout of the year, but that's definitely a good sized rainbow. You see that fish?
Yeah, trout.
It was a big trout, huh? Definitely wasn't a record sized trout, but it was a good 17, 18 inches out the river and off the mussel. That was crazy. He almost took my pole in. Alright guys, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed coming out to this little spot. There's a lot of nice sized trout here, especially that big one. Whew! He was a big one. I can't believe he almost took my pole in. That was crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and if you did, give it a like and subscribe to see more of these fishing videos with me. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.